Good afternoon, good evening, as the case may be, to everyone here, and greetings to the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Fadnavis, and all the dignitaries present on stage, friends from business circles, all of you people here present and in India. And a big thank you to my old friend Shaina for calling me here. Old not in terms of age, sorry, I didn't mean it like that. Old because I've known her for years. And thank you, Shaina, for always inviting us for these goodnesses she keeps doing every now and then. As we know, Make in India is perhaps, according to me at least, the single most important initiative by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, which propels companies in India, multinationals in India, and even companies abroad to make their products in our own country, in our own land. Thereby, of course, as we all know, creating job opportunities, skill enhancement. I've been explained in 25 different sectors of our economy. The business houses, and my friends know, it increases a huge amount of capital coming into the country. And for me, the biggest turn-on, if I may say so, is the fact, the introduction of new technologies, which I believe is going to create a new era of modernization for generations to come. This book, which Shaina has printed, devised and designed, apart from the saris that she does, actually captures not only the event, but the results of this laudable event, which was held in Mumbai, our own city. And not only does it historically record the initiative, I think somewhere it's a source of inspiration for other proposals to come forward to take Make in India go even further. And the most proud moment for all of us Mumbaikars, is that it was held in our city. Unfortunately, I couldn't come. I was shooting in Gujarat that time. I really wanted to be a part of it. It was held in our city, and I want to genuinely compliment the Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Fadnavis and his team of management to create such a mega event and make it such a colossal success. This book, which Shaina has put, is not just a photo journal. I think we should time and again go through it and figure out in our own small ways. हम सब कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं अपने काम में, अपने धंधे में, अपनी जगह में, जो मेक इन इंडिया को और आगे बढ़ा सकता है and हमारी कंट्री को और प्राउड कर सकता है. So I'm really thankful for having me over here, and thank you for this great initiative, and thank you, Shaina. I would speak a little more, but I need to take a tour of the Sayati. God bless you all. Thank you.